Winter's chill is in the air. A cozy glow is near. The wood stove fire dancing bright, bringing Christmas cheer. Our workshop's filled with warmth and glow, ready for the sparkling snow. Another frosty friend we'll make, watching our spirits grow. Oh, chainsaw snowman #2, a joyful sight to see. With a tiny top hat, ribbon red, as happy as can be. Big blue eyes and stick arms wide, a cold smile curving bright, bringing Christmas magic, filling up the winter's night. A block of pine so old and true, our canvas pure and white. The chainsaw hums, ready to work, carving all these wooden blocks. He's taking shape, a friendly face, a wonder to behold. Stories of his coming life and frosty dreams untold. Oh, chainsaw snowman #2, a joyful sight to see. With a tiny top hat, ribbon red, as happy as can be. Big blue eyes and stick arms wide, a cold smile curving bright, bringing Christmas magic, filling up the winter's night. A curvy carrot nose we'll find from branches strong and tall. Another piece of nature's art, answering winter's call. Each frosty friend, a special charm, a memory we keep, as Christmas cheer fills up our hearts while winter's world does sleep. Oh, chainsaw snowman #2, a joyful sight to see. With a tiny top hat, ribbon red, as happy as can be.